Good morning everyone, welcome to another video. Today is another exciting day because we're now back in my hometown Penang and I'm gonna take you guys to sahur. And sahur is essentially what you eat in the morning before you start your fasting for the day. And today I have decided to come and try out nasi kandar kampung Melayu for sahur because they are open for sahur, which is quite interesting. And actually this is attempt number 2 at trying to get nasi kandar kampung Melayu because the previous time we tried to come here, it was completely full, packed, and they've run out of nasi kandar. So hopefully today is a lucky day for us and hopefully we can get some nasi kandar. So let's go. And today we seem to be in luck because there don't seem to be any queues at all and there seems to be still quite a bunch of dishes left. So let's check it out. Kuah campur, telur rebus, daging ada? Ada. Daging dengan sotong lah, daging dengan sotong. Daging dengan sotong, okay. Today we're quite lucky because we still managed to get some nasi kandar for sahur. The previous time that I tried to come here, I was here at 4:30 and it was already gone. So the idea is to come here really early, like right now it's 3:41. If you come here anytime later than that, I think it's gone. So that's tip number 1 for you. Okay, let me eat first. And check out what I ordered, guys. There's some sotong here, which is squid, eggs, and some daging, which is beef. Pretty nice, and it's covered with all of this kind of curry on top. And the special thing about nasi kandar is the curry is actually fermented because that's how they used to carry the curry on the back of the shoulder in the past. The word kandar actually means shouldering the curry and the rice. So it used to be one pot of rice in front and then one pot of curry behind. And then by shouldering it and carrying it across, they actually waited quite a bit before you actually start eating it, and that gives it that extra flavor, that fermented barbecue-like flavor for the curry, which is amazing. And you guys, if you haven't tried nasi kandar, because it's not available in the UK, you have to give it a try and come to Penang because that's the only place in the world to get authentic nasi kandar. Okay, enough talking, let's eat. Oh, which one should I try first? Oh my goodness. I think I'm gonna try a bit of the squid. Okay, let's try to get some of that beef. Oh, it's gonna be quite a bite. Oh, it's so good. The beef is so tender and the squid is quite tender as well. A lot of flavor on that bite because a lot of the curry and barbecue-like fermented flavor is so good, guys. Nothing like it. Kudos. My friend actually run this place, so hopefully we can meet him later. We're gonna talk to him. Kudos. If you're watching this, amazing stuff. You did well. Guys, and this is my friend Nizar.
Hi.
He runs this place, guys. So cool. So how long have you been doing this?
I've been doing this for the past 6 years.
Wow.
But my father runs it since like 20 years.
Wow. And he did a mighty good job because this place is mostly packed. So business must be so good. I wish you all the best. And
thank you very much, brother.
Inshallah, more success to your business.
Alhamdulillah.
Come and support because this is the best nasi kandar in the world.
Yeah, do come and support.
Yeah. In the world, guys. The best nasi kandar in the world. Okay, see you.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Take care, man. Jazakallah khair. Got some of that good stuff for Amalia. Yeah, I packed some for Amalia as well. That was definitely an amazing meal. I highly recommend, if you guys are in Penang, do your sahur here because it's gonna change your life. The food is so good.
Later.
Oh guys, look at that. Look at that. Oh my god, look at that. Wow. Wow, this is how you do sahur in style. Oh my god. And we have nasi kandar. Still more nasi kandar to go. Wow. Amalia, you loving this?
Yep.
Yep.
Loving it.
Good morning everyone, it's already 12 o'clock and we're going out to shop right now. We woke up a bit late today, Amalia especially, 11 a.m. Yeah, we had a good sahur and right now we're still feeling quite good because you're not feeling hungry, you're not feeling thirsty, are you?
No, I ate as little as I could and it's good. It feels so light, my stomach still feels so light. Yeah. And we're gonna I wanna buy some groceries for London.
Okay. Time to get some groceries for London because in London there's a lot of things that we don't have. So now we're gonna go look for them today, and also we're gonna get maybe like baju raya or something, which is the... Alright, enough talking, let's go! Right, so guys, we're in Queens Bay Mall trying to look for parking, and because it's a Sunday, there's almost no parking at all. Look at that, it's all full. All the levels are full. It seems like it's the wrong day to go shopping, but it's okay. So yeah, probably gonna skip this part because there's nothing much, it's just shopping. So yeah, skip to later. Let's go on. Da, da, da.
2 hours later.
Oh guys, so it's 6 something right now, which means it's almost time to buka puasa. Oh, enjoyable! It's gonna be fun. And we are going to Legenda. Okay, we're gonna show you that restaurant in a while. But for now, how are you feeling?
Good?
Good. In Malaysia, the fasting is slightly different because it's more humid here and more hot, so you feel a bit more thirsty.
Thirsty, yes.
But otherwise, you don't really feel hungry. And I think the nasi kandar and the durian is still feeling until right now. So
I hope I don't burp durian.
yeah, hopefully not. And Putong here is gonna fetch us to the restaurant, and just now you can see him in the background, he's shirtless. And now he's gonna bring us in his amazing car to dinner.
Not very amazing, a lot of rubbish.
Alright, time to go! So, Legenda Cafe. We chose this place because it's one of the highest rated cafes on the island and it's located on Campbell Street, an iconic place that was once used as a filming location for Anna and the King. Be careful when you open the door. We are slightly late because it's quite jammed, the traffic I mean. But we're here already. This is Legenda. Yup. Okay, time to go. Oh. Hello, sorry we're a bit late. Guys, so we managed to reach here on the break of time. It was right on the dot when the adhan is called, so we managed to break our fast. Oh, thank you so much. And now I actually ordered chicken chop, and Amalia ordered the, what is that? Kelaman.
I don't even remember the name, to be honest. But it's chicken.
It's chicken.
It's a fusion, I think. Western and something. And Asian. Yeah, quite nice.
So the meal is done. It was a really good meal, and now it's time to introduce you to everyone. Hi, this is Kunkun, this is my sister. Hello. And this is Putong. Just now he fetches. STT. My sister, my dad, and then that's my mom, and then that's my grandma. You see my grandma is looking. Amma. Hello. Okay. And then that's Juju Shua.
Which one?
My nephew.
Look at the camera.
Hello.
You're on YouTube finally. You watch YouTube, you're on YouTube.
And then that's Shakespeare, my brother-in-law. Hello. So that's my family. And just when we thought that was the end of the meal, there is still dessert. This is what is this? What dessert is this?
Sagu.
Oh, sagu gula melaka.
I think I want to try the blue one because this blue thing.
Sagu with gula melaka and santan.
How was it?
But
Good?
I think this dessert never fail lah.
And this here is a local favorite, traditional pengat pisang, which is banana. Hot.
Hot.
But very nice, very sweet. Yeah, pretty good, pretty creamy.
Okay. So what's inside it?
Peanuts and ice cream and strawberry and what's this?
Nata de coco.
Nata de coco. Nice.
The meal is finally done, and overall it was quite nice. How was Legenda? How was it for you?
Yeah, it was nice.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Pretty good, especially the dessert was quite nice.
Yeah, and
the meal was slightly okay only.
yeah, I mean it's good. It's good enough.
It's good enough, yeah.
But the ambience is quite nice. Actually.
Yeah, you can also go up to the top to see some of the exhibits, but we didn't go up. I'm not sure what's there. But yeah, do check out Legenda.
وإذا تولى سعى في الأرض ليفسد فيها ويهلك الحرث والنسل والله لا يحب الفساد وإذا قيل له اتق الله أخذته العزة بالإثم فحسبه جهنم ولبئس المهاد ومن الناس من يشري نفسه ابتغاء مرضات الله والله رؤوف بالعباد الله أكبر سمع الله لمن حمده الله أكبر الله أكبر السلام عليكم ورحمة الله السلام عليكم ورحمة الله